guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing our unbagging of Ipsy Glam Bag for August of 2019. Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription that you get 4 to 5 sample deluxe size and sometimes full size products for $10 a month. I love Ipsy. Ipsy was my first bag ever. I will keep Ipsy until they stop sending out products. I do want to talk about the Smith & Colt Pillow Pie color that we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That is what I have on my nails. I do not like this color. This is 5 coats to get it to even show up with what's in there. So if you've got this and tried it, comment down below and let me know what you think about it. But Ipsy Glam Bag. This is what the bag looks like this month. It is green. Feels like plastic. I thought it was going to be prettier than what it is, but nonetheless, this is what it is, and it does have the little tag that says Ipsy. Now, I had 3 add-ons, and I'm only seeing 2, so I will have to email Ipsy once again. But one of my add-ons was the Be Beautiful BU Fair brushes, the 5-piece brush set that is going to go in the Blue Blood palette giveaway also. Those are in. This will now go with that palette, and whoever wins will get those set of brushes. The next thing I got was, of course, another brush. And this is the this one comes in its own little bag, so that's pretty cool. This is the SL Miss Glam Angled Eye E61. That is what that brush looks like. It is very pretty. It is very soft. I do have another one by this same brand. I love this brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. So I'm hoping that I will like this one too. So that was my first add-on. My other add-on was the Perlice Blue Lotus Moisturizing Cream. So I will have to contact Ipsy about that and see what's going on. But those were my add-ons and minus thereof. So let's go ahead and get in the bag. I'm going to pull out the card first. It is the same as the Ipsy Plus was. August 2019, Bury Yourself. And then inside tells us everything that we got in our bag. So the first thing that I got was from Huda Beauty. This is a lip contour in Trophy Wife. We love everything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates, and this waterproof lip pencil is no exception. It glides on to help shape your lips, stop lipstick from feathering, and extend the wear of your color. And this rosewood hue looks great on all skin tones. The tip is use Trophy Wife as a lip liner paired with your favorite lip color, or wear it all over your lips for a full coverage look. And there is what that color looks like. And it did go on nicely. It is very creamy. So, I don't have any lip liners by this brand, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I have is by Feel. Okay. Feel Bright Daily Squalene Plus Facial Oil. This brand believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This non-greasy formula boasts a blend of squalene rose hemp, and avocado oils to help brighten, firm, plump up, and nourish your skin, and vitamin E to help fight acne and blemishes. Tip is, after cleansing, pat a dime-sized amount onto your skin. Feeling extra dry, follow with your favorite moisturizer. So, there is that. It is a facial oil. I will try it. The next thing we have is by Estate. Now, I like this brand as far as the highlighter I got from them. But this is Estate Cosmetics Eye Shade in Pipe. All of Estate Cosmetics products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and affiliate-free. This buttery buildable and super blendable eyeshadow doesn't fade easy. And this beautiful burnt orange shade reminds us of a summer sunset. The tip is, for a wash of orange, apply Pipe all over your lids and use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend up to your brow bones. Alrighty. And this is what that color looks like. It is a pretty orangish color. And there it is again. Let's see about building it up. Okay. So it builds up nicely. It is very blendable. So yeah, definitely going to try that out. And orange is my favorite color, so very excited about that. The next thing we have is by Nails Inc. This is nail polish in Feelings. That's a pretty color. Okay. It says, Nails Inc. professionally formulated vitamin-infused polishes are beloved by nail artists around the world. For a fresh summer mani, try this pretty pearlescent peach shade. It's super glossy, long-lasting, and the ergonomically designed brush makes it easy to apply. The tip is, apply Feelings in 3 strips, starting from the left of your nail bed, then right, then center. Drag your brush across the tip of your nail to coat it off with color. So let's check out this cool looking brush. So it's just a flat brush, which does make it easier to apply color. So I'm totally going to check that out. I was not very satisfied with this one, so maybe this one will work for me. And then the last thing I have is this little guy. And this is Pawpaw Recipe Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. This Korean skincare brand believes the best products are made with natural, healthy, raw ingredients, great for dry skin types. This foaming cleanser made with honey, propolis, and olive fruit oil gets rid of dirt, oils, and makeup while nourishing skin with moisture. The tip is, apply a pea-sized amount of the cleanser onto your skin. More if needed, add water and massage in a circular motion. Rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. And it is safety sealed, so I like that. So that was pretty cool. We have a face wash, a nail polish, a facial oil, a lip pencil, and then our eyeshadow for our bag this month. I do have another number down here on my paper. Again, like I said, I don't really know what that means. But if you do, you can let us know. Okay, there's that number. So if anybody knows what that means, fill us in. I would love to know. I don't think I've ever noticed it on the cards before, so if you do know, please fill us in, let us know. But that is our Ipsy Glam Bag for August of 2019. The inside of the bag is pink. I did not mention that. This is not my favorite bag. It looked nicer online than it does in person, so that's quite a bummer. But I did want to let you know that my last video was my Blue Blood palette giveaway video, and with all the blue and the talking about blood sugar, I decided to go ahead and use that palette in today's look, which is what I have on my eyes. Minus my inner corner, I have the snack color from the new Jawbreaker palette. And then I have a little bit of What's Up of the red shimmer out of that same Jawbreaker palette. But I just wanted to show y'all that it is very versatile to wear anywhere. You can either go heavy or you can go light. And then on my lips, I am wearing the Frozen lipstick by INMO in Runway Red. And then I have a little of the CoverGirl Metallic Razzle Dazzle on top of that, just to give it a little bit of shine. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Just hit that red button. It is free, doesn't cost you a thing. And ring the bell, come back and see all my new content. And I hope you had a wonderful day. We are beginning to get into the weekend. So I hope you have a great one. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.